Alice, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make a tuna sandwich. Because today my mom is going on a diet, so I'm going to make a tuna sandwich, which is super healthy. We're going to do all the ingredients. We're going to need some onions, then we're going to need some tuna. We got it from Costco. We're going to need some scallions. We planted them. There's some spices, salt, pepper. First I put all of the tunas in. We're going to put in a little bit scallion into just maybe almost half of the bowl, and not half of this. Then I put a little bit of salt in that. I'm going to put in a little bit of salt. I'm going to need some pepper, a little bit. Finally, I'm going to put some sesame oil. So now we're going to mix this stuff. I'm going to mix the tuna mix. Teach you how to smash an egg. You first need to put it in this tool.